The million-dollar question is, why choose the Burgess Group over and above any of our competitors? Quite often people say one of the things they liked about our company was we gave great ideas, design ideas, and perhaps ideas that the customers hadn't considered themselves. That might be a design of a front door, a sliding or bifolding door, and we have all the products on display. So when we talk about something, we can show people examples of that particular product. Also, we've been going for many, many years, nearly 30 years in fact. So we've got a good history. We've always aimed high, and in terms of customer satisfaction, we've got a number of very positive online reviews. It's not unusual for us actually to take potential customers out to go and show them projects that we've undertaken for other customers. So a reason to choose us, I suppose, is product choice. We've got a really wide range of products, hopefully to meet all budgets. We're established. We respect our customers. Our installers who've been working with us for many, many years really do appreciate that we're in somebody's home. So it's really important that when we do a job, we respect it's their space. Obviously we can say that, and I guess most companies will probably tell you that, but at least we can back this up by having several thousand satisfied customers in and around East Anglia. And hopefully everybody finds us really helpful, myself and my design team, and give people great ideas to enhance their homes and the way they live.